This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics, homework number 8.1, question number 9. This question says, a square hole 8.8 centimeters along each side is cut in a sheet of copper. So I've got a sheet of copper with a square hole cut in it. Find the change in area of this hole if the temperature of the sheet is increased by 76 K. The coefficient of expansion is 1.7 times 10 to the minus fifth. Answer in units of square centimeters. First concept, we have to know that the hole is going to grow at the same rate as the surrounding material. So really, this is a question about copper, not so much a question about the hole. I know that my change in length is going to be my alpha times my original length times the delta t. But this thing is going to change in length in this direction. It's also going to change in length in that direction. So I have to have my original length, so I really have this square that's going to get a little bigger this way and a little bigger that way, and I'm going to get my new area. So what I really want is my new area minus my old area will give me just my change in area. So when I do this, I'm going to get my delta L equals my alpha, which is 1.7 times 10 to the minus fifth, times my original length, which is 8.8 centimeters, so I'll put it in meters, 0.08 meters, times my difference in temperature, which is 76. So that's my change in length. So my original length is 0.08. And if I take that and I square it, that'll be my original area. So that's L0. My A0 is going to be 0.08 squared. My new length is going to be my original length plus my change in length. So when I have so this is going to be 0.08 plus whatever this gives me is my delta L. So I've got to add the delta L. When I get that, that's going to be my new length. Well, my new area is going to be my new L squared. So I'll take this answer over here and square it, and that'll give me my new area. And then my change in area is going to be my new area minus my original area. So really I want this change in area because I've got my original area, my new area. It's not going to be this big, not drawn to scale. Okay, so all this is saying is that L plus delta L is my new area. L plus delta L squared is my new area. L squared is my old area. So this will give me the change in area. And then that will be in meters squared. And if I want to get it to centimeters squared, then what I have to do is take meters squared and not divide by 100. Sorry, not multiply by 100, but it's going to be times 100 and then times 100 again because I've got to get to squared centimeters. So from squared meters to squared centimeters, it's times 100 times 100, and that will give me my answer. So a couple conversions in there, an area in there, and good luck in there.